Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to put together this cat and prism ornament kit. So the first thing that we want to do is attach this prism to the bottom of our cat stainless steel piece. So we're going to do that using a jump ring. So right there you can see where it's slit and it's open, and I'm just going to put a pair of pliers on either side of that. And then I'm just going to gently twist that open. And then I'm going to attach the prism, and I'm going to attach this cat component. Then I'm going to put my pliers back, and then I'm just going to gently twist that back together until it lines up nicely. And then to hang it, we're just going to use this bit of jute here. String that through. And then I'm just going to tie a knot right here. I'm going to give it some space for it to hang. I'm going to tie a knot up here. I'm going to take some scissors and cut off this excess. And then my ornament is all ready to go. This kit can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.